Hey guys, it's in the morning. My my cousins are sleeping, and my grandma's sleeping, my mom's sleeping, and these are only the people that are awake. My dad,
Right.
my sister, my little brother that has a bunch of curls.
Buddy,
We
Say
call
hi to
him
the camera.
Curly Q.
say hi to the camera.
And I'm awake. And we're gonna find my elf. And we really don't know where it is. So we're gonna find it. That's my mom's room. Can't go in there. Do you think it's in the bathroom? Washing its hair? No. How about pooped? No little poo-poos. Next room. I don't think it would be in here, but I just want to think it would be in the stuffed animal aisle.
Hi, buddy.
Hello, mine. Say hi. Hey! Say hi.
Tell the story, bud.
He's so excited. He just wants to go.
Okay.
Yeah. Come on, bud. Come on, bud. He just wants to make it hard for me.
Yeah. This close to Christmas, making it real hard. You see it? No?
Probably in the kitchen or... Okay. What are you doing? Does he see something? Little Boochie Nana. Little Boochie Nana. Little Boochie Nana. Okay, next room. Come on, Bobby. No. Oh!
It's not in my room, so.
Yeah, I know. It would have been me. There's us in here. Okay, let's look over here. Little Elfie. Elfie. Oh, I really thought that was him. That was a little stuffed animal. Okay. Oh. Daddy.
Think so?
Yeah. It's even harder from yesterday. We're probably going to be looking for this all day. How about if it was in the trash can? Is it in the...
Oh! Are you serious? Wow. Elfie was, or what's Chippy?
It's
Nima?
Nina.
Nina was hungry. That's funny.
I really want a yogurt though. That's funny. Because I knew she was in the fridge. I thought she was in the fridge, but I was like, could even elves go in the fridge? I think they'll melt. I don't know if they'll melt. Probably she stays in there all day and she'll melt. I really want to spin. I'm going to go get a spoon. You're going to just watch me eat this all. Thank you. Daddy, could you peek in my cup in Grandma's room? Could you peek in Grandma's room?
They're sleeping, so.
Huh?
They're asleep.
No, how about right now? Because I heard something in there. You never know. Probably Natalia's awake. Come over here, little girl. My yogurt has come to the world. It's a new thing. What I call it is do you eat it? Spin, 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 spin. Spin it like you don't care. Spin, spin, spin it, spin it, spin it. What?
Buddy, be nice. Be
Good. Lucky. They're popping up, but just dynamite. They come like this girl.
What's up, bud? You wanna go for a ride? You wanna go for a ride?
Well, you can't leave me and Callie here.
You guys wanna go for a ride?
I don't.
You don't?
Like to McDonald's, you mean? No. Don't tell you once, will I tell you twice? Got this cup, we can start all night. Hey, 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 we can start all. I'm gonna be here by myself. Hey, hey, hey. I'm gonna try to twice. We can rock this one. That's not my toes, that's Samantha's. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W.
Put Buddy in the truck first.
Can we call Gigi know. Bye, guys.